Tom here at Sharpening Supplies, and we have a new knife that we are going to test and then see if we can improve its sharpness after just 1 minute of stropping. We have a ProDynamic 14-inch slicer from F-Dick. Just having this knife out on the table makes me want to get some brisket. It's a knife designed for commercial kitchens, and so we're going to test, see how sharp it is, and then strop it and see if we can improve that initial out-of-the-box score. So we're going to start with the heel of the knife. $345 grams. Next, we're going to do the middle of the knife. $388 grams. Now we're going to test near the tip of the knife. $296 grams. So that gives us an average score of 343 grams. That's about at the upper limit of what you'd hope for from a high-end piece of cutlery fresh out the box. So this could be put to use straight away, but we're going to strop it for a minute and see if we can improve that initial score. Okay, so let's see how much sharper it is now that we've done just 1 minute of stropping. Once again, let's start with the heel of the knife. $346 grams. Next, let's do the middle of the knife. 292 grams. And now we'll do the tip of the knife. 276. So with just a minute of stropping, we've managed to make a small improvement, getting the average down to 305 grams. So that puts us at the sharper end of high-end cutlery edges. So this is a knife that is ready to go and cut some meat. If there are any other knives or tools that you would like us to test the sharpness of, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider subscribing for more.